In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate your Squarespace account, open a site, and place a code block so you can add the snippet you need to connect a Figma design to your page. Start by heading to the Squarespace Create Your Website start page in your browser. This is the easiest jumping-off point to reach all of Squarespace's tools. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your sites and account features without interruptions. From that start page, look for and click Account Dashboard. This takes you into account.squarespace.com, which is your command center. Think of the dashboard as the place where all your websites, settings, and subscriptions live. It's designed to help you jump directly into the exact site or area you want to manage. Inside the dashboard, click Website. This view filters your account to focus specifically on your sites. If you have multiple projects, you'll see them listed here. Choose the site you want to work on by clicking it. That will open the site's configuration area, where you can adjust content and settings. Once your site is open, select Pages. This is where your site's structure appears, including your main navigation and any hidden pages. Pick the page where you want to place your Figma connection. If you're aiming for a live prototype or embedded design, choose a page that makes sense contextually, like a work, portfolio, or demo page. Enter editing mode by clicking Edit on the page. You'll see the content areas become interactive, with plus icons and insertion points. Move your cursor to the exact spot where you want the embed to appear, and click Add Block. This opens the block library, which contains all the content types you can add. Use the search bar in the block library and type Code. This quickly filters the options so you don't have to scroll. Click the code block to insert it into your page. The code block is what allows custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, and it's the right place for an embed snippet. In the code block editor, add the code you're using to connect Figma to Squarespace. Typically, this is an embed or iframe snippet you've already prepared. Paste it in, then adjust any width, height, or responsive settings as needed. When you're done, apply your changes, preview the page to confirm it displays correctly, and publish when you're satisfied. If something doesn't appear, double-check that you pasted into a code block and that your snippet is valid. That's it. Your Figma content is now integrated on your Squarespace page.